usually wear it for my belly dance classes as well because उसमें भी I need support here because shimmy करना होता है. So okay, honestly tell me, whenever you think of Amazon, दिमाग में सबसे पहले क्या आता है? For me, it's always electronics या फिर home decor and even घर का राशन because lockdown में इतना कुछ order किया Amazon से, but I never get an image of clothes. So I thought, let's change that. Actually, I have shopped from Amazon Fashion, like for a very few things. Like I can literally count them on just one hand. I think 3 fingers in fact. So this time I thought I'll literally try out clothes, proper clothes from their fashion category. Now Amazon Fashion actually has a lot of brands on them as well. The well-known brands जो हर एक site पे होते हैं, तो I thought मैं उनसे shopping नहीं करूँगी. I'll try out the more affordable and cheaper options. So yeah, that's all about this video. I hope that you enjoy this. I think 80% of the haul is below 500, तो मैं वो title में mention कर सकती हूँ please. मुझे थोड़ा बोलने में problem होगा because I've been sick for a week and I don't know, I still feel nasal and थोड़ी सांस फूल जाती है बोलते बोलते. लाइक मुझे भी बोलते बोलते फील हो रहा है कि या आई एम स्टिल सिक, बट ठीक है. सो आई थिंक आई हैव अराउंड 9 to 10 items to show you guys. So I'm going to start from the lowest to the highest because that's how we shop. So the first item is a basic black crop top with v-neck. It has quarter zip. I think full sleeves है. मेरे हाथों में थोड़ा छोटा होता है. I have longer hands. Wow. Basic quality is pretty good. I like how body hugging it is. It is not that rid material. It is a very normal cotton का black crop top. I'll mention the size and the prices on the screen because मैं अभी भूल जाऊँगी सब कुछ. I like how it fits me. I like it's basic and I can literally wear it with my favorite jeans and a shoulder bag and I'm done. That's one of my no-brainer outfits that I had in mind जब मैं ये top खरीद भी रही थी. And I feel I can never have enough of black crop tops. So yeah. It's a pretty good option if you are planning to buy a basic crop top. I think they had this particular brand itself now had a lot of necklines के options as well. I got a V-neck वाला because V-neck suits heavy breasted girls thoda sa. Next I have a halter neck in this really beautiful powder blue color. I think this color is something that I reach out to a lot aajkal. Actually ऐसे pastel shades are very much in. Like if there is one summer trend that you have to try out, it's the pastel shade. I like the quality. बहुत प्यारा material है, बहुत soft है. It's ribbed unlike the first top that I showed. So quality अच्छी है, fitting अच्छी है. They had so many color options. इसमें भी मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा था deciding on one color and eventually I settled with this. बस already 2 चीज़ें हैं I think in the same color but I love it. Really nice. Next item is actually an essential which is a tummy tucker. I got it just for 349 rupees which I feel is a very good deal. मैं इससे पहले Zivame का tummy tucker use करती थी. I think that was for 600 or 700 rupees. This one for 350 something is amazing. I noticed इसमें ना एक हल्की सी ऐसी stick type है. They have these foldable sticks in them. टमी के पास. So I thought कि काफ़ी uncomfortable हो सकता है but I feel like it gives a much flattering fit to my waist whenever I'm wearing something bodycon. So yeah, if you're looking for a very affordable tummy tucker, this one is great. बाकी मैं हर एक चीज़ की लिंक नीचे प्रोवाइड कर ही दूंगी. Apart from all the clothes that I'm showing, I'm also going to be linking my haul store का link जहाँ पे collectively you can see all of these items. So yeah, it will be convenient for you guys to see all the clothes that I'm showing as well. Next I got a set of 2 t-shirts. I think मैंने किसी कोई Instagram stories में भी देखा था. So I had it in my mind कि I have to try out Amazon Basics. The t-shirts are from this brand called Symbol. I think ये Amazon का खुद का homegrown brand है because yeah, I think I've read it somewhere. इसमें भी बहुत सारे colors थे, बहुत सारे options थे and I went for a lavender tee and a white tee. दोनों का material is super soft, really nice, like really good quality guys. मतलब like it feels expensive. It feels like कि हाँ काफ़ी अच्छी brand का कोई t-shirt होगा. So yeah, I haven't washed them yet. पहना है but मैंने wash नहीं किया है तो I'll update you on Instagram stories if you like really are interested in knowing. But अभी के लिए I am in love with this set particularly. Again, I got a lavender shade. Vanya would be laughing seeing this, but yeah, उस लड़की ने मुझे lavender obsess कर दिया है. I went for an M because मुझे लगा मैंने weight gain कर लिया है, but ये मुझे थोड़ी ढीली है. तो please make sure you go for S I don't want to return them because I really like this. मेरी white tee खो गई तो I wanted a white basic tee again. So I'll probably ask my mom to stitch it from the sides ताकि मुझे थोड़ी well fitted हो. बाकी this one has to be one of the best buys from this haul. Like I love it. और इसमें भी color options की कोई कमी नहीं थी. We'll have to take out time and think कि कौन से दो colors लेने हैं. And if you're somebody who's literally beginning to build that wardrobe or closet, I think go for a black and white color combo because a black tee and a white tee are basics that you must have. Next I have this black cotton set. It's a crop tee and shorts का set. It looked so cute. मुझे इसकी जो coat है Hakuna Matata देख के I was like ये तो मैं लेने वाली हूँ. It's so cute. Also the shorts have this white lining side में and even hem पे, so it looks really cute. Actually ये shorts remind me of Riverdale का that episode, that epic dance off between I'm sorry I'm bad with names, but I'll try to include the video. ये बिल्कुल exactly वही shorts थे, तो I was like ले लेते हैं. This was for $3.99. I'm happy with the shorts. I like the material and everything. I like fitting थोड़ी सी tight है, but that's on me. I know मैंने weight gain किया है. I did not like the print on the t-shirt. It felt very cheap and I feel उसमें थोड़े defects भी थे. So I am thinking of returning this or getting it exchanged because उसका print is something that I know कि मैं धुलूंगी ना वो पक्का खराब हो जाएगा या फिर उस पर lines and cracks आ ही जाएंगे. But they had a lot of other options. Like if you are a BTS fan, they had the same set in BTS as well. Like BTS लिखा हुआ था तो yeah, go get it. Next I have this really beautiful pale teal sort of a color में एक top. It's really nice. It's from this brand called Illy. I don't know, it's this brand and they had a lot of options in tops, like a lot of pretty options and a lot of trendy options and a lot of colors as well. Talking about the top that I got, it has a square neckline with some balloon quarter sleeves. A very trendy top in a very trendy color. I personally feel like square necklines is something I like instantly gravitate towards. If there is a top with a square neckline, I just want to get it. I feel they look very flattering on me. So yeah, if the material is not cotton, it's something else, but it's a comfortable material. The MRP of this is mentioned as $14.99 and I got it for $4.99. But I feel जब Amazon sales होती हैं, this would be available for something like $300 because मैंने देखा है. I did not shop during the sales because I'm stupid, but yeah, this top is really nice. Okay, next one is something that I really am very excited about. So if you're anybody who's really into trends, tennis skirt is one trend that is literally all over the place. So I got one for myself from Sarojini, 250 se. But I've seen Instagram stores selling the same skirt for 600 and 700. So I knew कि Amazon पे available है, so I just wanted to try out one for you guys and I got the one in black. इसका material is actually better than what I got from Sarojini. इसकी length is actually longer than what I got from Sarojini as well. कुछ चीज़ों में it is actually better, but price will be better ही हो गया है. It's actually available for 500 rupees, which I feel is not a bad deal because इस पे you have size के options. It's Instagram stores में I didn't find a lot of sizes options. So yeah, if you want to buy it, get it from Amazon. I think there is a baby pink color in the same skirt as well. So yeah, buy it. It's really cute. ऐसी school girl वाली vibe आती है. I feel like इस साल मेरा style बहुत ज़्यादा change हो रहा है. Like I'm getting more into colors, into bright colors and into these styles like tennis skirt. पता नहीं क्यों, but I like them. So I do these fashion quickies video where I take up your queries, fashion queries and give you like outfit ideas or just talk about the query. So उसमें किसी ने पूछा था birthday outfit के लिए and the next skirt is something which literally gave me the birthday girl वाली vibe. So it's this beautiful tulle skirt. अभी मैंने बहुत अजीब से रखा है, but look at the colors. It has the perfect grey and kind of like a baby pink combination. It is so beautiful, like so beautiful. This is completely not my style, but मुझे भी ये पहन के इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा था. तो yeah, if you are looking for a very affordable birthday dress, buy this and pair it with a basic white top or a net का जो cute से crop tops आते हैं, like थोड़े से you know balloon sleeves वाले. I feel बहुत cute लगेगा and just add some pearl earrings and you're done. It's a very cute option and this was for this was for $6.99 and I do not find it expensive. I feel $6.99 के लिए भी it's a very good deal. इसका फ्लेयर, इसकी लेंथ, आई फील एवरीथिंग इज रियली नाइस. इसके पीछे इलास्टिक दी हुई है, इफ यू कैन से, या काफी प्रिंसेसी सी वाइब्स आती है स्कर्ट से. आई रियली लाइक इट. आई थिंक दिस इज फ्रॉम अ सेलर कॉल्ड जानवी समथिंग. इनके पास स्कर्ट्स में काफ़ी ऑप्शन थे, तो आई वेंट अहेड एंड बॉट अनदर स्कर्ट फ्रॉम देम. इट इज़ अ कॉटन पैटर्न्ड स्कर्ट विद रफल्स. Unfortunately, इसका fit wasn't that great. The quality was great, the finishing was nice, but the fit sucked big time. I feel like my skirts either have to be knee length या उससे नीचे, या फिर they have to be like a mini skirt. This wasn't as body hugging as I expected it to be. तो बड़ा weird सा fit था, तो I returned it, but I do have the try on part of it. Yeah, I think that cotton skirt was for 599 rupees. Material and all बहुत अच्छा था. I just hope they changed the fitting somehow, because that skirt ka pattern looked very cute. And the last item I have is a sports bra that I bought because I have to start working out. It is from this brand called Simnatic something. I think it's a brand from Amazon only. I went for a sports bra which had a broader strap below the bust because that gives me enough support. It is a good bra. I usually wear it for my belly dance classes as well because usme bhi I need support here because shimmy karna hota hai. So yeah, it's a decent sports bra. It isn't a high impact sports bra. I just want you to try something from this range. If you're somebody with like a medium to small chest size, I think this would work for you. For slightly heavier and to काफी extreme support चाहिए, this wouldn't really work. But the quality and everything was nice. Like the material and the fitting was nice. And with this, we've come to the end of our haul. I hope that you liked it. For me, my personal favorites from this entire haul has to be the set of 2 t-shirts that I got. Really nice. The tennis skirt was really nice, and this skirt. This is my favorite. I don't even know मैं इसको कहाँ पहनूंगी. I think I'd probably do like a very cute सा shoot. ऐसे एक दिन घर पे बैठ के. Let me know what was your favorite item from this haul. And I'm really sorry for the nasal sound that you're hearing right now, but I don't have any other option. मैं ठीक ही नहीं हो रही हूँ. Another important news, I am starting with a giveaway series finally from the next video. ये giveaway पिछले हफ्ते ही start हो जाता if I hadn't fallen sick, but अभी थोड़ा delay हो रहा है. But I'll probably start with the first giveaway in this week. So yeah, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.